Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As a French representative, I present the following as the stance of the French Republic on the future of the Arctic region. First, the French Republic proposes fundamental principles of the Antarctic Treaty also apply to the Arctic region. Despite challenges of conflicting interests, signatories to the Antarctic Treaty overcame their differences and advocated for a set of principles, among which include freedom of scientific investigation, demilitarization, and preservation of resources. I urge the international community to ensure these principles in the Arctic region. As such, the French Republic calls for the Arctic to remain a region with freedom of scientific investigations. Researchers from a score of countries in the Arctic are helping us better understand effects of climate change and how to better protect our planet. Without the right to freedom of scientific research, the international community will find itself in a shortage of knowledge it needs to fight climate change. Next, the French Republic urges the Arctic become free of any military presence. Granted, the Arctic primarily consists of body of waters and thus is governed by the UNCLOS. This, however, has given inevitable rise to territorial disputes. The Arctic has all the makings of becoming a flashpoint, overlapping territorial claims, untapped reaches of natural resources, and conflicting geopolitical interests among states. The international community must designate the Arctic a demilitarized zone to prevent the rise of military conflicts. Lastly, the French Republic urges the international community to prioritize long-term environmental concerns over short-lived economic benefits. The French Republic proposes strict restrictions on any economic activities other than environmentally sustainable ones. Some claim such restrictions would constitute an infringement on sovereignty of Arctic states. However, we must explore beyond the bounds of conventional notion of sovereignty as we increasingly feel global-scale consequences of local-scale actions. Last year, the international community raised concerns for Brazil's deforestation in the Amazon and urged Brazil to reverse its course. We did so because consequences of Brazil's action were to be felt by the entire globe. Now, we are painfully witnessing yet another example where one country's action within its border does not remain local, the COVID-19 pandemic. To ensure the Arctic does not follow this path, we must implement strong environment protection measures in this region. We have a responsibility to protect harm done to the environment and to all humanity. Last year, 3 French shipping lines announced that they would not use the Northern Sea route as their shipping passage, following the French government's call for preserving the Arctic's environment. They put the common good above their short-lived self-interest. The French Republic now urges all countries to follow suit. Let's protect the Arctic. Let's protect our future.